Hey everyone, today I want to showcase a relatively new product that has arrived on the market. These are the Karcepts Rear Hubs for the Honda S2000. If you've been in the Honda S2000 track community, you may have noticed that rear hub failures have become an increasingly common issue. Personally, I've seen these rear hub failures documented online for the past year or two, but after some local track enthusiasts that I know firsthand experienced this issue, I started to feel uneasy about the OEM rear hubs. Gary Wong broke a rear hub at Thunderhill West, and luckily it wasn't too eventful. Tony, on the other hand, ended up breaking his rear hub at the wrong corner. If you take a look at the OEM rear hub, you'll notice that the backside of the flange has two different levels of thickness. It is 8 mm wide at the thickest point and 4 mm wide at the thinnest point. Karcepts products are meticulously engineered to solve real problems, and the Karcepts rear hubs address the weaknesses of the OEM design in several ways. First, the flange on the Karcepts hubs don't have two levels of thickness. The flange is one solid piece. The flange on the Karcepts hub is 9% wider than the thickest part on the OEM flange at 8.75 mm. The holes for the rotor retention screws have been eliminated. The Karcepts hubs are made of billet chromoly steel, while the OEM hubs are made of cast iron. And finally, the Karcepts hubs are oil quenched and tempered, which apparently further strengthens the metal. I don't know. All in all, this means that the Karcepts hubs should withstand at least twice the force of the OEM rear hubs before falling apart, which is great. The rear hubs cost $375 a pair, which isn't too bad considering OEM rear hubs cost roughly $300 for a pair, and these are significantly sturdier. The one catch is that you'll have to source your own wheel studs, but I have to say the ARP wheel studs I installed are excellent. So all said and done, this upgrade will cost me a little over $500 since I'm doing all the labor myself. To me, paying a premium over OEM wheel hubs is well worth the peace of mind, considering a broken wheel hub would accrue thousands of dollars in costs if it doesn't total my car. Anyway, I hope this video brings more awareness to the issue of broken wheel hubs and the solution engineered by Karcepts. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the whole matter.